Hello Odooers, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn about timesheet and timesheet invoicing based on like hourly days, right? So how we can like create like sales order for specific project, and it will automatically register the hours or days whatever the employee worked and created timesheet, and based on that it will invoice the hours or days, right? So first of all we need this specific application, uh, timesheets project sales employee, right? Invoicing. So this is already installed. Now we will go to sales application, products here, and we have created two products. Let's say this timesheet product our, right? So we will register at hourly basis. Let's say product type is services, invoicing policy as timesheets, and here create on order is project. So whenever we add this product to sales quotation and confirm, then it will create specific project for that particular sales order, right? And here we set as a hour, and another is days. So this is like for some company need like I mean the day basis timesheets, like 8 hours, it means one day, right? So they are creating invoices based on day, how many day they are working, right? So this is two products we created. And now let's say we'll go to quotation, add here, we'll set some customer, and here, and we will allow 50 hours on this project, and we will confirm. And you can see this project is created. Here we can see this project created, right? We can setting here billable, right? So based on timesheet it will register. Here we can set visibility. So this is all related to the normal project settings. Now we will click here. So there are no tasks. Let me create one task, test task. And here in task, let's say if you assign any this employee on this task, so you can see this employee is added as a follower. And here let's say we will see uh, employee test, and let's say set up client account something, and they spend 8 hours, right? And we'll save. Now if we go to the particular sales order, you can see here it register as a 8 hours, right? So it is automatically linked here, like how many hours delivered. So this is 8 hour, we can see here recorded 8 hours. So this is timesheet automatically assigned here, right? And let's say if I create another timesheet, let's say, and let's say 4 hours, total is 12 hours. If we go to sales order, you can see 12 hours is already set up. Now we can like create here the invoicing or another something workflow. You can see here this 12 quantity we can set up here hourly rate something, right? So this is how it will creating the like project sales order timesheets, and register here automatically delivered hours and create invoices based on the hours, right? So this is how it works. Now let's say we will create another sales order, uh, and we will see how we can register for timesheet, I mean day wise. Let's say we will set this 50 quantity, and hourly cost is, let's say, uh, 80. So it means for one day we are paying 80 something, right? And let's say if we click and confirm, then you can see this project is created. We'll set one test task. So create task, and here let's say we add this employee, and if we create a timesheet here, let's say I set 8, it means 8 hours, right? It means 1 day. So now if I go to sales order, you can see 1 day, right? And now again, if I create another timesheet, let's say, and let's say this employee worked 4 hours, it means half day, right? And if I save, if I go to sales order, you can see 1.5 day worked, right? If we create invoice, you can see how it works, right? Based on the like days, how many like days work, and based on that it will like create automatically delivered quantity invoices we can register based on this delivered days. So this is how we can manage timesheet on Odoo easily, right? And register employee timesheet based on hours or days. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much.